Hi guys, how are we doing? So let's just quick do this. Very simple. You can see the way I hold it. So this place I'm holding, I'm looking for sleeper distance too. You can see this thing. So that is what you're going to use for the front. So you take the edges of the scarf, the two edges, then you sock it inside this thing. So after sucking it, you draw it and bring out the scarf. So then make sure you do what you drag it so that it will tighten your head. Okay, so after arranging it, after trying to do it so that it will tight, it will not look loose. You can see what I'm doing. So this hand that I'm holding, I'm going to twist it. Because I'm trying to start to look at if the hand is going to reach the back. That is what I'm doing. Before twisted the hand, you can see that after that twisted it. Yes. Then I'll twist the second one as well. You can see. Then we take it to the back. Tie it. So I'm going to tie it at the back. So guys, please help me share this video. Please, I'm begging you guys, please help me share. I'm begging you. And to those that always do so, to those that always comment, like, share, thank you so much. And if today is your first time you are seeing my video, please follow my page for more video and turn on your notifications so that anytime I'm uploading a video, you'll be the first person to get the notification. So that place I'm holding, I'm going to use a pin to pin it down. Going to use pin to pin that place down. Yeah. So as you can see that's very simple and unique. Very simple and unique. So guys, please share, and I promise to always bring nice style for you guys. So see you in my next video. Bye.